Hello dear friends, welcome to Technical Sandesh. This is Sai Viswateja. Today I would teach you how to apply for an AdSense account. Whether you've only recently started a business online, or have been going for a while, Google AdSense is the most popular ad network around and the best way to start monetizing your traffic with display ads. This ad network offers a wide range of ad units for multiple platforms and devices and includes optimization tools. You don't want to apply for an AdSense account, only to be rejected because you did not follow the instructions correctly or adhere to their policies. In this guide, we'll show you how to apply for an account in 2021 and beyond, step by step, and get accepted. Requirements: Google is very serious about the quality of their ad network. They are very strict about the requirements, rules, and regulations you need to follow. Below are the requirements you need to adhere to before signing up to AdSense. 1. You need to be at least 18 years old. 2. You need to have an active Gmail account that isn't linked to an AdSense account. 3. You need to have a website, and that website needs to meet all of Google's terms of service. Pro tips from Monetize More. Although the following tips aren't written in stone, we believe that they will improve your chances of getting accepted by AdSense. Your website should be at least 1 month old. You should have at least 10 articles published that are unique and valuable to readers. There is no minimum traffic amount that you should have, however, the more, the better. How does payment work? There is a minimum threshold of $100 that you need to earn in ad revenue before you can get paid. Also, keep in mind that Google follows a net 30 payment term. As an example, when you earn ad revenue during September, your revenue will be sent out to you in the first week of November, 30 days after the billable month is over. Step by step. How to apply for your AdSense account. Let's start. I will teach you step by step how to apply for your AdSense account. Please type https://www.google.com/adsense/login. On the same page, click on Sign In, and you'll get directed to a page where you need to sign in to your Gmail account. After entering your email address and password, click on the Next button. Now you'll need to enter all your details, which includes your website and email address. Exampletext.com or viswateja@gmail.com. You can also opt in for customized help and performance suggestions from AdSense. Your screen will look something like this. On the next page, you will receive instructions that will enable you to connect your website to AdSense. AdSense will provide you with a snippet of code that you need to add to your site within the section. They will also give you specific instructions on how to do so when you have a WordPress site. Once you've inserted the code on your site, click the Submit button. They will also give you specific instructions on how to do so when you have a WordPress site. Copy this code and go to WordPress site. Open Appearances and click on Theme Editor. And click on Style Sheet. You will get many options, and click on the theme header. Before pasting this code, I want to mention one thing. Here it's total coding. If you are unable to do it, feel free to contact us. And now paste the code in between header section carefully. Now your AdSense will be get applied. For any queries, or do you need any web designing, feel free to contact us. They will also give you specific instructions on how to do so when you have a WordPress site. Our WhatsApp number 8019718015. If you are from abroad, please mention Indian ISD code +001. For more information, email sandeshtechnical94@gmail.com. Dear friends, we are freelancer. If you need any support to apply AdSense account or need a fresh AdSense account, we are always ready to support you to make happy.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I am going to make a new video So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Okay, thank you.